everyone, this is Agnes with Zooz. We're here at CES 2022 at the Z-Wave Pavilion. We're showing some of the new products that we'll be introducing, or some of them are already introduced, that will complete your smart home experience. The first one that I wanted to show you is the ZBox Hub. This is a Z-Wave centric hub that we'll be releasing in collaboration with Fabaro in 2022. It will highlight all of the best features of Z-Wave, which is all of the advanced settings, direct association, security, privacy. This is a smart home that you will be able to reclaim. You're going to own all of the information on it. It will stay locally in your computer, in your network. We won't be able to turn it off for you along the way. It's going to be yours forever. It will recognize plenty of Z-Wave devices without any additional integration. It will be able to read the parameters automatically, featuring the 700 series chip. Just a really great smart home solution for a seasoned user, or if you're just starting out, but you do believe that Z-Wave is the solution that you want to go with. This is definitely the hub to get. We're super excited about that, so stay tuned for more information about the ZBox Hub in 2022. We're also showing our tide and water valve actuator right here. This is a retrofit solution that installs directly over your water valve. It's a 1-minute installation with no tools required, and it has a built-in probe for leak detection that will close that shadow valve automatically, even without a hub. But if you do have a hub and you want to make it smarter, you can use a wireless leak detector, put it anywhere in your house, and program it so that it will automatically shut off your water valve. Next to this sensor, we have a bunch of other sensors that you can see right over here. It's our new 700 series XS, extra small, extra secure, extra smart sensors for monitoring and security. So we have open close door window sensor, we have the water leak sensor, we have the tilt shock sensor, and we have the temperature and humidity sensor. So a complete solution for monitoring, whether it's security, whether it's the comfort of your home, sensors that you can use to monitor your smart home and bring your automation to the next level with the new 700 series XS sensors that are already available at thesmartesthouse.com, where you can get these and other great products from Zooz. You get always lifetime tech support, and any 700 series product also comes with a 5-year warranty. Thanks so much.